Excellent. I'm just with Dan. Is it anything urgent? I'm just with Dan at the moment.
Brian, what does a day in the office look like today, mate?
Hello. Fortunately, it's sunny outside. My blind fell down. No privacy. Everyone keeps walking through here like it's a thoroughfare. And I know I promised you Josh would be on the camera this time. However, this time he's out in the workshop, escaping us once again. You can go and hassle him now.
All right, Joshy's up, I guess. Yep. Joshy, you're up, mate.
Oh, fine. Mate, we've got stuff going on everywhere. There's Ford Rangers leaving, there's Lamborghinis getting all prepped, sorted, done. Audi's film going on, they're getting ready. Merc's up next. Mate, there's stuff everywhere. We're busier than ever. Make sure to bring the cars in, give us a call, we'll reply. We want to get them wrapped. Yeah. What else?
You happy?
That's it, I'm stoked. Oh. We're stoked, it's so good in here, man.
Good.